this lesson, we're going to look at surveys, and the reason why I threw in surveys in this lesson was because it's basically the same as a form, except one or two differences. So let's dive into the screen share and find out these differences. So the thing we want to do is we want to navigate to sites and surveys. So when we look at the survey builder, the surveys look the same as form submissions. And I'm going to go and click create a new survey. And what this is it's made up of slides. So now think about surveys as Microsoft PowerPoint. So we have a slide, and within that slide, you're able to add user input. So let's say I've got 3 slides. This is a user satisfaction questionnaire. At the end of this slide, what do I want to do? I'm going to go to the next slide. Okay, great. So the user is taken on this bit of a journey. So let's just grab their full name, their email address, and let's get their state. Now this could be the qualifying question. So I'm going to say this is the qualification questions, right? Slide position 1. Awesome. If you want to move the slide from 1 to 2, you just change it here. Now, you can edit these fields in the same way you would edit form fields. You can make them required or not. And of course, for a survey, I think it's ideal that you make everything mandatory so that nothing can be missed. And then when I get to the end of this, it's going to take me to slide 2, right? So, I don't know what just happened there. Next slide. When I get to here, I'm going to be here. So I'm going to say, great, maybe we've got some custom fields. Right, what is going to be the topic for our call? Do you have the ability to listen to conversations between your leaders? Yep, no worries. Next one, something else, something else. Okay, now we've got a nice survey. So what I want to do is I want to have a look at what this looks like in real life. Okay, so what we can see here is what looks like a form. It has our branding, and then down the bottom you'll see this like control box which looks like a slideshow, and what this is doing is it's telling us how complete we are in the process. So if I say my name's Demo, and I click on this button, it takes me to the next slide. And now I'm halfway through 3 slides, so I'm now 33% of the way through. Now, why would you use this? So I think this is really good in that it's good that it can take you in a line of questioning that is not sequential. So I might want to say, if they've answered this question, take them to slide 4, or you can keep it sequential if you like. The other thing is that if you have multi-part forms like this, you're able to capture information before they actually get to the completed percentage, right? So if I'm here and my phone rings and I go away and I close that out, at least I've completed 33% of the form. The same style conditions exist. There's a couple of different things like a background image that you can choose, and of course you can embed it into a website or a direct link, the same as you can in forms. Now I find that if you're going to be running SaaS, then onboarding and anything that is data you want on your customers, using the surveys in this manner is extremely beneficial. The other thing is that by showing clients that they can use these surveys, they can actually stop using something like SurveyMonkey, MailChimp, etc., and save a few $100 extra a month by consolidating their applications. So win-win for everybody there. Okay, that's it for this lesson, and that wraps up forms and surveys. I'll see you in the next category. Bye for now.